Hey everybody, thanks for being patient with me. I know it's been a while since my last video upload, and just want to say thank you guys again for being patient, and to reward you as well with giving you a little app review here. First off, I just want to take this time to say thank you all for subscribing and watching my other videos. It's pretty awesome if you guys do that. Hey, look, emails coming in. And also, if you guys have recommendations or suggestions for different apps for me to take a look at, feel free to make a comment and send those to me, because what I usually do is once in a while I'll just download a random application from the market, try it out, and see what happens. And you can only do that so much based on the storage and time that one's busy life requires. So, like I said, if you guys have any suggestions or want to see something, like, hey, what's the best app for this type of work, let me know. I'll see what I can get. So today is going to be Places Directory. This is a really cool app, and it replaces the application Where. I talked about that in a couple of my other videos, and I liked Where because you can type in what you want and it would tell you what it is you're looking for. So if you typed in like pizza, it would show you the pizzerias within the area. You can get maps, directions, phone numbers, email addresses, stuff like that. And I like that, but it worked really, really slow, and the GPS never really updated that well. And Places Directory, I think, does a much, much better job of doing this. Plus, there's a little more options you can do. So, Places Directory, we open it up. This is, by the way, a free application. So let's say we want to, let's say we're in a strange neighborhood and we want to look up a bank. Let's go ahead and go here. I do apologize for any lag. My phone has been very slow as of late. I'm not too sure why, but I'm still trying to figure out. Now, this is the cool thing about this application is when you type in, or when you select a category such as banks, as we did here, it shows you all the nearby banks. And I like this much, much better as opposed to Where, because you have to type in what kind of bank you're looking for. It would only search based on those keywords. This one, it just shows you everything. So we have, Wells Fargo, Washington Mutual. Let's say, I'm a Wells Fargo guy, so let's go ahead and click on that. And there you go. You get reviews by a couple different people, which is kind of neat if it's a restaurant or some type of bootleg, or not bootleg, but some type of like family-owned store. You get reviews from people, which is really cool. You got your address, your phone number, your distance. This little Android icon right here just signifies that there might be a picture, just like a capture of what the place looks like, so you can kind of identify later. You can also click on this little star right here to add this as a favorite. I'll go ahead and do that since this is a bank that I use fairly frequently. And what's also pretty cool is they have the dial button built in. So if you just hit dial, it'll automatically dial that bank. No need to, click and hold on anything, do any cut and paste, stuff like that. And also there's just a quick feature to go right here. You hit map, and if your GPS is turned on and updated, there you go. There's your map. Like I said earlier, my phone's been slowing down a little bit, so I hope you guys don't judge me or anything about that. There, we can see it uploading. Trying to determine my location. That may not be a good thing, so let's go ahead and back out of here. Alright, so there's the bank, showing you where it is. And this is, this is basically it. It's a very, very simple application to use. It's handy for any situation. And it's just very, very cool. Like I said, I used to use Where, but I like this because, aside from today, which I'm trying to show people, it works a lot faster, it's a lot cleaner, very, very simple, and I just like this easeability of it. So let's say we want to look at restaurants. Let's say we're driving around, we're hungry, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I've been trying to move kind of quickly because here at the, there you go, never mind. But here at the bottom, it'll actually show you where your address is, give or take a margin of error, which is kind of neat, just to make sure that your location is updated. So here we go. This is a good example. You have a couple different restaurants. You can see there's a few pictures that people have taken to upload there. We're just going through. A lot of the individually owned places mostly have pictures, mostly like the franchises like McDonald's, the big name stuff. They generally won't have images, but this is kind of cool. And also, if a place has more than one image, you can just go ahead and select gallery, and you can see just a little slideshow of the different pictures. Some people take pictures of the insides, the outs, just anything you can imagine having to deal with that specific restaurant. So, like I said, this is very, very simple. It's got a lot of different features in here. Like I was showing you earlier with the banking, you can have your favorites in here. So, if there's this one food place you absolutely love, I know this would have helped me years ago because I fell in love with this soul food place over by LAX, and I have no idea where it is. I've been looking online and I can't find the name of it, but that would have helped me out a few years ago if only this had come out back then. But yeah, this is very, very simple. Also, when you go to all, it basically just shows you whatever is near your area. You can see there's all kinds of different stuff. There's Hawthorne High School, there's Burger King, Subway, all kinds of food stuff. There's different shops to go through. So that's just, kind of like, hey, what's in this area? You click on it. Oh, okay, that sounds interesting. Not a whole lot of different settings you can do. Search history just picks up the things that you've looked at before. Refresh locations, just like your GPS re-enable. My location just shows you where you are in the map, so you can kind of determine what's in the vicinity and not. And search places, this is just a little more specific. This is if you want to go to a specific place. So what I had was BJ's Restaurants and Brewery. If you guys have ever been there, it's you'd know that it's very, very good food. If you haven't, I really suggest that you check it out. BJ's Grill is, I believe, there we go, BJ's Restaurant and Brewery. Let's go ahead and star that. That one's very, very good. And yeah, it's like, this is very, very simple. That's really why I like this application. I really go for the applications on the Android market that are just simple and, they're so easy a caveman can do it type of crap. So there you go, Places Directory, available on the Android market for free. And I highly suggest you pick up this program if you guys like to travel, or you guys just want to look for different places to go here and there. Okay? And until next time, see you guys later.